Hello, welcome. This is Michelle with Paper Stamping. Thanks for stopping by my channel, which is about all things paper crafting. If you don't want to miss out on inspiration, tutorials, and tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell. Today, I'm going to share with you a order that I just got in from Cat Scrappiness. Now, if you have not checked out her channel, I encourage you to do so, and I will put a link down below. And once I get all of this yummy goodness out, I am going to create a card from some of this. I haven't decided what yet, so it'll be a surprise for me as well as you guys, but I will put a link for that below as well because I'll be posting these two videos in conjunction. So let's go ahead and dive in. One of the things that, now her website, she has her own line of items as well as a variety of other items, but the one thing that she is very exceptional at is sequins and mixes for putting in shaker cards. And these are just, look at this, more s'mores. It's so cute. You know what? I've got a Lawn Fawn set that has the little bear and a squirrel and some s'mores on it. So I know exactly where I'm going to use those. And then I have these little ladybug sprinkles that I got. I just thought those were adorable for summer. And then this was a little free gift that was put in there. And these are so cute. Look at these little guys. I love these little eyes on these faces. Some little rainbows and a little phone. Oh, those are adorable. Thank you. Thank you, Kathleen. And you always need a little treat, right? So let's go ahead and dive in here. So I have been a big user of the Tombow glue, but I am going to give this art glitter glue a try. I've heard really good things about that, and so I thought I wanted to check that out. I've heard about that from enough other people that I thought it was worth checking. I'll let you know my thoughts on that. Then I have this adorable stamp and die set from Sunny Studio. And I love this just because I like to have a lot of cards that really just are for whatever reason. So just because. Don't have to have a special occasion to send a card. And I love that it comes with the dies. So that is awesome. And so talking about the dies, I picked up these great little cutters. So they're going to fit, they've got this nice angle on them, so they're going to fit perfectly in here to get those where those dies attach to snip those pieces apart. So these are going to be a must in my tool chest, I can tell. And then I wanted to get a new bone folder. I've heard really good things about this one from Tonic Studios, so I'll let you know. It's got this curved edge. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. That's supposed to really give you a nice burnishing, but without getting any creases where you don't want them. And then we got some Gina Marie Designs bling. You know I love my bling, and look at the gorgeous colors in these. These are like a translucent clear, and then I've got some that are more opaque. So we've got our blues, and then these are great summertime colors. And then I love these, just the softness of these blues and greens in here. And this is one of Kat's dies. She's got her own line of dies, and they're very good quality and very economical. So hello, you can always use a little hello die. I'm getting into doing more dies for sentiments on my cards. And then this is one of her stamp sets. And just think these are fun when you have interactive cards. Sometimes people, I wonder if they really know what they're supposed to do with them when they get them in the mail. So we got some little instructions like, I move, push here, tear here, slide. So I think these will be fun for interactive cards. And then this, I don't know if that's supposed to be leaves or just a geometric pattern. It reminds me of leaves, but it also is just a great geometric background for some ink blending. And then we have this die that you can put, this is great. It's just the right size for card front, and it cuts out these panels, and then you're actually going to be able to use those inside pieces that come out for matting as well. But just think about putting, you know, an image and a sentiment, or, you know, mix and match, and you've got your windows all done and all lined up perfectly. And then here is this Quality Time stamp set, and I fell in love with this little koala. I just think it's so sweet, so adorable. So I just had to have that with that one. And you know, let's spend some quality time together. There's little mama koala and her baby for Happy Mother's Day. You're a quality friend, so that one's going to be fun to play with. And this die is one of those that I'm like, you just really don't have to do anything else with the card. You can just create a beautiful front panel for your card with this die, all the seashells in there. So let's see, this one, I don't think it has the name on it, so I will put a link to these in there as well, or the description. And then these are going to be perfect for slimline cards. You get all these different matting layers, and I love the scalloped edge, as well as you get a stitched line in there. So I can't pass up a stitched die. So slimline cards are kind of the new thing, or the returning thing. They're new to me, and I've been having fun making them. So these are going to make my cards even better. And then here's some more sequins from our droplets, and I thought this would be great with that stencil that has all the seashells. Just put a few of these on there, or even some of these. I'm thinking some of these would be beautiful on there as well, depending on what colors you go with for the stencil. So I got some of those. And the last thing I've got is some block transfer sheets. So I have not played with these at all. I've never used them. So I'm going to give them a little whirl and let you guys know what I think. I think it's fun to be able to add some texture. I hope that you enjoyed this, and make sure you check out the link below with the video from what I make from these items. And you have a great time. Don't forget to grab your paper, stamp, and ink, and do something creative.